If you have a house in Springdale, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Springdale. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Springdale prefer to work with a direct buyer like us instead of working with more of a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage loan or some type of financing to buy your house. So first things first, we're going to keep it easy for you because we will buy the house in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't got to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away. You could take with you anything that you want out of the house, but anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. There's no money out of pocket that you need to invest or update anything in the house for us to close. And what allows us to be that type of buyer and what allows us to buy houses as is we're a cash buyer. So this is the difference between us and a traditional buyer who's using a loan or some kind of financing. Since we're a cash buyer, we can buy the house as is and we can close when you want to close. This is a key thing. It's often overlooked, but you pick the closing date with us. So if you want to close fast, we can make it happen. If you need more flexibility and you want to do something down the road or, pick a target closing date, that's perfectly fine as well. With a traditional buyer who's using a loan, you're basically closing on their time frame. Or actually, it's not even their time frame, it's their lender's time frame. And there's a lot of hoops that need to get jumped through as well before the lender will do this loan and let this buyer buy your house. They're going to send through a thorough inspection, and that could be intrusive. They're going to test every electrical outlet, light switch, and ceiling fan. They're going to open and close all the doors and windows and basically compile pages and pages of everything wrong with your house. And they'll probably use that to try to renegotiate with you or get discounts or get credits or get extensions, which is wasting a lot of your time. And I should say, after the inspection, if you survive the inspection, then it gets worse because they're going to send the appraiser through, and the appraiser typically basically works for the bank, and they can pull the rug out from this thing and cancel on you at any time. And if the house doesn't appraise, hopefully the appraiser's having a good day, or else who knows what could go wrong here. There's just too much room for error. There's a lot of hoops that you need to jump through. And if they end up canceling on you, you just wasted a ton of time because now you're back to square one. And in real estate, you're not just wasting time, you're wasting money because every day that goes by that you didn't sell your house, well, now you're still paying for the utilities, you're still paying for the taxes, the property taxes, you're still paying for the insurance, and it's just a ton of opportunity cost. So if you have a house in Springdale and you want to bypass all the commotion and all the hoops that you need to jump through with a traditional buyer, you want to get a fair price and a fair offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we buy houses in Springdale and all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then what kind of time frame you're looking to close. We're going to make a fair cash offer on the house, and if it works for you, great, we'll move forward. But if it doesn't work for you, that's okay. No crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or fake urgency or games, gimmicks, and sales tactics used. That's what you get with the call centers. The call centers are the ones sending you text messages and cold calling you. We don't do that. We're going to treat you like a local. We're here in Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in Springdale and you're looking to sell, keep it easy for yourself and be treated fairly, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.